Hi, I'm Colleen.
And I'm Kate. Welcome to our CrafterNoon adventures. Today we're going to be making a perler bead bookmark. All you're going to need are some perler beads, a large square pegboard, some tweezers that could help, and about 8 inches of ribbon. And of course you'll need an iron and wax paper at the end to heat and fuse all the beads together like this. So you're going to start with 9 beads wide and 29 beads long on your pegboard. So start choosing your color scheme. I think I'm going to do some like blue, green, yellow. So I'm going to start with this dark blue since we have a lot of it. And I'm going to start down here with a row, like I said, of 9. And then think of the pattern that you want. So I'm going to choose the next color, next lighter color, which would be our greens here. Then I'm going to move to the yellow. And finally, white. Then I'm going to repeat the pattern. On rows 25, 26, and 27, you're going to place 3 beads on each side of the row, leaving 3 in the center that are empty. Once you've done the 3 on each side 3 times, you're going to fill out the top with the same line. Okay, so once you've got the shape, you're going to iron it together. And you're going to iron it on both sides. So you're going to put your wax paper on, turn your iron on. So all you need to do is start heating the top and pressing down for about 10 seconds on each side. You should start to see the beads melting and they'll stick to the wax paper a little bit. Once it seems like they're stuck together pretty well, you can flip it over. And then you can quickly do the other side. Now you can cut an 8-inch piece of ribbon to put through the hole of your bookmark. Make a little knot like this. And that's it. You have your own neat little bookmark. You could tie it another way by making a knot at the top like this.
We hope you enjoyed today's craft. Most projects we demonstrate can be made in under an hour and require a few basic tools or supplies.
Have questions or suggestions for future videos? Use the comment section below and we'll add it to our list. Thanks for watching, and remember the Makerspace mantra.
The only limit is your imagination.